In this homework assignment, we're doing the absolute value inequality, and you notice that in this form, you're not able to graph it. So what you have to do first is you have to subtract 2 from both sides. So let me go ahead and write this down. We have y plus 2 less than or equal to absolute value 1/2 x. Subtract 2. So we have y is less than or equal to absolute value 1/2 x minus 2. Remember that you want to make a table. And the way you graph it on Desmos or on the graphing calculator is, I'm going to go ahead and type in the equation first. So we have 1/2, which I'm going to use 0.5 as a decimal, 0.5x. Of course, I'm going to make sure that I write the -2, not +2. We have -2. And then I'm going to go to the table. I guess we have -6, 1. -6, 1. -4, 0. -2, -1. And then I have 0, -2. I'm going to scroll down. I have 2, -1. I'm going to go back up. I'm going to graph to see what's going on here. Okay, so let me zoom standard. Okay, so I did make a mistake at -6. Yep, that was a problem, -6, 1. So let me go ahead and erase that. -6, 1. And we have 2, -1. I have 4. I have 2, -1, right? I have 4, 0, 2, -1. 1 is -1.5. And so it's a solid line because it's equal to. And then, of course, I have the arrows. And it says y is less than or equal to, so you'll be shading down. You'll be shading down. And there is our inequality. Remember, the solution will be everything that's in the green plus the boundary. And remember, I taught you that this is called a boundary. And this is called your solution area or solution region. For number 5, we're writing the absolute value inequality. So remember that equation that I showed you, y equals a absolute value, and it's going to be x minus h plus k. I'm going to say that a is 1. I'm going to say that h, remember that's going to be the vertex, so it's -2. And k is 0, right? So I'm going to have y equals absolute value x minus -2. And of course it's plus 0. So it's y equals absolute value x plus 2. And so let's graph that here on my TI-84 calculus. We go num, absolute value. And we have x plus 2. And let's graph that. So yeah, it looks like it. It appears to be. So the shading, this can shade here, and it says less than or below. Below is considered to be less than, and there is our shading. So if you want to write your inequality, it's going to start like this. We have y less than, equal to. So the answers will also be on the boundary. Absolute value, x plus 2. And that's it. Those are the 2 examples I have for this assignment.